I'm going to write Miss Emma is a dummy on the chalkboard.
Hey. Who wrote Miss Emma is a dummy on the chalkboard? Was it you, Duck Bubble Bro?
No. It was Neptune Meowser Jr.
Hey! Excuse me. I did nothing of the kind. I was sitting at my desk the whole time. It was actually Dark Bubble Bro. I saw him write Miss Emma is a dummy on the chalkboard.
Oh my god. Dark Bubble Bro. How dare you write Miss Emma is a dummy on the chalkboard and try to blame Neptune Meowser Jr. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Dark Bubble Bro, why are you here?
I wrote Miss Emma is a dummy on the chalkboard and tried to blame Neptune Meowser Jr.
Dark Bubble Bro, how dare you write Miss Emma is a dummy on the chalkboard and try to blame Neptune Meowser Jr. That's it. You're suspended for 4 weeks. And during your 4 weeks suspension, you will write, I will not blame any students at school 100 times. Go home now.
Dark Bubble Bro. We just got a call from your principal. He said you wrote Miss Emma is a dummy on the chalkboard and tried to blame Neptune Meowser Jr. And he also said you should write, I will not try to blame any students at school 100 times. That's it. You are grounded for 832 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room now and start writing I will not blame any students at school 100 times.